What's up? Welcome to my channel. I'm Amanda.Lin. It's been 2 months since I last uploaded a video, so let me introduce myself if you're new, or reintroduce myself. Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Amanda.Lin. You can call me Amanda, and I'm a sophomore in high school, and I like fashion and thrifting stuff and then making my own clothes out of it, so that's what today's video is on. So I went to Savers and I got a few things. What'd I get? I got a pair of pants and a cardigan sweater thing, and then I tailored them to remake them into something more exciting and new, and that's what I'm going to show you today and how I did that. So the first thing I made was a sweater. I took a pink long sleeve cardigan grandma shirt thing from Savers, and then I turned it into a cardigan. Along the button, right here, there was the buttons, there was a little piece of fabric, so I just took that out. I cut the stitches, and then I took off all the buttons, which was easy. They were just stitched in, so I just cut the string. And then I cut a line down the front where I wanted it to be able to button, open, close, whatever, like a normal sweater.
If you wanna be successful, baby, I'm your type. Just give me the message and I'll be up all night. So just sit tight.
And in the sewing machine, I just did a simple stitch down the side, so it was to hem the sides. I'm not good with the terminology of sewing, but I just hemmed the sides of the sweater.
Until the day that I gotta try to avoid you in school. Cause with the hair and those blue eyes, how could I resist?
And then I put it on to see how it fit, and saw where I want to crop it a little so it'd be, I don't know, so more modern or whatever, it'd go with more of my clothes. So I found a good length of where I want to crop it, and I marked that with chalk or a pen or whatever, and then just cut it with and then I cut below the line with a little bit of extra fabric and hem that. And then I took the buttons, I kept the little pearl buttons, and I just sewed them back on. I didn't make holes on one side so that I could actually close the sweater, because I didn't plan on ever doing that. I just wanted to be able to throw it on over something. So, but for the look, I just sewed the buttons on one side, and that was it. So the next thing I made was a pair of pants. I saw something on Pinterest. I should check. So I saw this on Pinterest. I kind of want to recreate it. So I bought a pair of pants from Savers. I tailored them how I normally tailor pants. I think I made a video a while back of how I tailor pants, so you can watch that. But these were a little different because it was a stretchy waist. On the sides, I want to leave it how it was because I didn't want to mess with the elastic inside too much. So on the back, I just made a, what's it called? Maybe a dart. Is that what it's called? When I found, I just kind of, I don't know how to describe it. Around the waist, I gathered the fabric and made a mark where I want to sew it so that it would fit better. And then I sewed that kind of triangle. Once the waist fit, I put an elastic. Okay. This is hard to explain. I tailored the waist with a little bit of extra room so that I could add an elastic, so they were easier to get on and that they fit better. I don't know. Once I had the pants all tailored how I wanted them and they fit fine, on the bottom I sewed the flame, I painted the flames. I could have sewed fabric on, but I decided to paint them. I ran out of black paint, so it's not the same color I used, but whenever I paint clothes, I use Craftsmart acrylic paint, and then I mix in Liquitex Professional Fabric Medium. So then when I paint, it's more smooth and it works on fabric better.
wanna wanna be successful. Baby, I'm your type. Just give me the message, and I'll be up all night, yeah. So just sit tight. Hey, you think we're done and then
And then once that dries, I use the Krylon Crystal Clear Acrylic Coating 1303 spray stuff. This. It's just a coating so that way when I wash the clothes, the paint doesn't come off, it doesn't chip at all.
resist.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll hopefully post more videos more frequently and soon. So give me ideas if you have any, because I don't. So thanks for watching and peace out, broski. I don't know. Okay, bye.